tallest peak in the realms. The only other time I was in Jotunheim, I was there with my father.
You know the giant's fingers?
I spread my mom's ashes there. Feels like ages ago. Hey, just because of some dumb mural, your story doesn't have to be over.
I know. I mean, I have plans. It's just... it's over as far as the giants are concerned. So what's that make me?
A friend?
Wait, did you feel that?
Feel what?
Help me with this. We should get back to Yala. Something is off.
Yala? Angerboda, could you help? Is she okay? Oh.
Loki, what's happening?
It's okay! I can handle it! Go check on Yala!
I'll come around.
Tiapa! Angerboda! Where'd you go? Hello?
Up here.
Y'all okay?
Yeah, she was fine. Sorry about that.
So, these marbles, they're all that remains of the giants?
Not all of them. Some are just... missing.
But where could they be?
Nowhere in the Nine Realms, as far as anyone can tell. Farah! Past those rocks, there's a single. That's where we're headed. We should... Something on your mind?
Nobody believed this place was real. They're gonna be so surprised.
Loki, you can't call anyone father. Not even your father. The biggest thing keeping this place safe is that Odin's not looking for it. My words can keep the wildlife at bay, but if Asgard ever came looking...
I get it. I'm sorry. I won't tell anyone.
We have company.
Whoa! Hi. Bye. Is there a wolf you'll feed this green bulb to?
Whoever wants it. But maybe watch the sinkhole coming up. Lots of creatures in it. Used to get a lot of supplies for paint down there.
Yeah? We should run them out. Your paint supplies are important. If that's what you want to do.
Sure. Why not?
Perfect. Hey. Hey,
Killed a flower?
Oh, it's a gift.
Thanks, but, you keep it. Anyway, we're looking for wretch nests. Those are some of the supplies I need.
It's so dark down here.
Let me fix that.
Wretches! A nest of them!
They're everywhere down here! I've got you! torches, we'll be able to see, clear them out, and grab what I need for time.
Let's do it.
You lead, I'll light the torches. Let me know if you see any more torches. I'll light them so we can keep moving. It's so much cooler down here.
You should visit Midgard. Hard not to get lost in here, right?
Yeah, we're fine. We got this. Got another one. I got this one. Ah, so much better. I think we're close to another nest. Got another one. Ah, so much better.
Yup!
I got this! A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Now to find the rest. Smells kind of funky, like old water.
This'll help. We can see again. I got you. Oof. I swear, this place didn't used to be so feisty. We can see again. Be careful. These nests aren't just long. They can be up on higher paths.
Got it.
This'll help. No! Catch this! Okay, ready. Got it.
Oof.
someone nearby. I got you.
They're coming from the nest! We gotta destroy it!
I got this one. I need to find a way to get to it. See that?
Shouldn't be many left. I have an idea. What if you came with me?
Where?
Midgard? The other realms? Anywhere.
I don't think that's a great idea. My animals need it. It's sweet of you to offer.
I think that's all of them.
Thanks.
Feeling any better?
A bit. Let's head back.
Got it! Shake that!
No, not a bear too well.
Someone's bound to be mad we destroyed their nest!
We needed to!
Does it matter to her? I've got this! I got your back! That looked like it hurt!
Yappa! Yappa! No, not a bear too well.
Someone's bound to be mad we destroyed their nest!
We needed to!
Does it matter to her?
Yappa!
I got your back!
Yappa! Hermaluta! Yappa!
You okay?
Yeah. You?
Ready to be out of here. Let's head home.
You know, I thought learning my destiny would change something, but I'm still just me. Was it like that for you?
You're always still going to be you, Loki. It's about coming to terms with it.
And you've come to terms with it?
I thought so.
Back the way we came?
Nah, head around this ankle. It'll be quicker.
Oh, I meant to ask you. Your mother had visions. Can all giants tell the future?
Some. In dreams.
Hey, yeah. I dreamt of Thor a while ago.
Thor.
Came true, too. He showed up at my house.
He did? Sounds kind of like a nightmare.
Yeah, kinda. What are those?
Fireflies?
Are they dangerous?
That's adorable.
Kinda nice.
Yeah. Perfect timing.
For what? Oh, wow.
I know things have been weird in a lot of ways, but I'm glad you came here.
Me too. So now that I know how to get back here, I could come back anytime I wanted, right?
When?
I don't know. After things calm down.
After Ragnarok?
Yeah.
Sure. I don't think I'll be busy then. Come on, girl. You can make it.
What's up here?
A shortcut.
Good girl. You can do it, Yala. I believe in you.
Let's give Yella a break.
I meant what I said before. You know? About your paintings. They're really good.
Are you trying to cheer me up?
Yeah. Is it working?
Ask me again.
About damn time. Shut up. Too late to whine now.
Now. Damn it.
Who was that?
Kryla. She...
What's wrong with it? I can't feel anything.
There's nothing to feel. Kyla whispered its soul away.
You know where she lives?
What are you gonna do?
I've buried enough wolves this winter.
Follow me.
Watch out! These creatures are fast!
I got that!
Can't you guys just leave us
Jump
alone?
up!
I got your back!
Jump up!
I got this!
Jump up! Jump up! Jump up!
If we run into Gryla, please don't do anything drastic.
Why?
She's my grandmother.
What?
She wasn't always like this. When she learned my father wouldn't do anything to avert his fate, she... changed.
I see.
Looks like we'll need to find a way through.
Jump!
Can you see anything on the other side?
Looking.
Nice. Let's keep going.
Jump up! Jump up!
Okay, ready.
Did a lot of giants live here? Over time?
You want to know about your mother?
She lived this entire life before she had me. I don't know anything about it.
Sorry. I don't know anything about her. Your mother left the path of the giants way before I was born.
Lata, go!
This is Gryla's home. No lights. She may still be checking her traps, but she might have more animals inside. We have to be quick. There's another way in, up there. We'll have to figure out how to get to it. Maybe there's a way up on the other side. I won't get it caught.
Jump! So, Gryla, what does she need animal souls for anyway?
She can live moments from their lives. Finally feel free. The wind in their fur as they run. Her only worries being what to hunt and where to sleep. But it's not real.
Oh. Shh.
Ryla's still out.
Wow, her things are so big. Where's the wolf?
There's a door to the cellar over here. Most of the animals in there.
The key's already in the lock. Just gotta turn it.
Loki.
Hey, we know my future, and it doesn't involve us getting killed by your grandma.
Not how it works. Almost. Got it. I think I can hear something breathing near the back of the cellar.
Me too. But I'm not hearing their voice.
That's it.
I can't feel anything. Just like the other one.
She took its soul. There's not much more we can do.
Hold this.
What are you?
You didn't have a least favorite giant, did you?
What?
Never mind. This one.
No, you can't.
Your mother said I'd know what to do with these.
Yes, eventually. I just gave them to you.
I know. But you can't hide forever, right? And we can't just leave it here to die.
Are you sure?
No. I actually don't know how to do this part.
Okay. Together, then? Vecchia.
Vecchia. Wait! That's it? Where's it going? That even work?
I don't know. What, you're giving up already? They're your responsibility.
Not that. It's not. I just think they're better off with you.
Loki. Are you certain?
Call me Atreus.